What's up, guys? It's your boy Michael 5. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing some Cooking Fever. I just thought I would like to visit this game. I'm also to be set on my progress. That's why one. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. So yeah. So I thought today I'd just revisit this game because I know like everybody knows Cooking Fever is an addictive game sometimes. It's a good game. In my opinion, it's a great game. It honestly gets you really addicted to it. But yeah. So that's all we're pretty much doing. Hope y'all had been having a good week, having a good day. Hope y'all had a nice spring break if y'all in school. But yeah, that's all. I know I always say that I'm gonna try to upload more. I don't know, sometimes it gets out of hand. So I promise I will not download, upload. So, some more games that we can potentially do on the channel here. Because I know that most likely y'all want to see some other games and not just consistent things. Upload schedule. My new upload schedule will be Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, I think. Wait, let me try to think of this out. Yeah, Tuesdays, so those are the days that I'm gonna be uploading on YouTube. I'll give y'all the news. Yeah. So yeah. That is really all that is going on with the channel. That's pretty much it. I don't have like a big, huge following, I'm not trying to say that you aren't good enough, but like, since like not many people watch my videos, I'll most likely be able to see your things, see your comments, and most likely reply to them. Alright, we're on level 3, I think. Yeah, we are, I'm pretty sure. But yeah. I don't know. Recently, there have been a few storms around here. Around Texas and other places. Like Kansas, Oklahoma, and all that. Not Kansas. Well, no. I think Arkansas. I don't know. Not Arkansas, Arkansas. But there's problems that I can't seem to fix at the moment. I've been trying to fix them this past like 3 days, but I couldn't. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna still try to fix them, but then I've got school I gotta deal with, so I'll eventually find some time and figure out when to do that. But yeah. And we cannot upgrade nothing. How nice. After the next level, I'm probably gonna call it rap. Not call it rap. Bro, what? I cannot speak today. I'm probably gonna call it rap. Oh my gosh, bro, I said the same thing. I meant I'm probably gonna wrap it up. I was trying to say it in a different way, but I didn't know how to say it. I mean, I was gonna say that, but you know, I'm not even gonna speak about it. I don't know what happened. I know we saw high school. It passed out. Well, yeah, it's another passed out on the report card and stuff. So, hope that y'all pass through school. You know, keeping up good grades and all that. Because, you know, you need to pass school. Can't always stay in whatever grade you're in forever. I don't know what to do with a hot dog. Stop voting. Oh, I lost that. Alright, key. Let's put on dog. Yeah. I mean, if y'all want to keep on seeing Cooking Fever, I'm okay with that. I mean, Cooking Fever is honestly kind of relaxing. Alright, guys. Hope y'all have a